Reportedly died after an apparent suicide bid started a fire aboard a bullet train in Japan. According to a Japan Rail spokesperson, a man had poured flammable liquid over himself before setting fire to himself in a toilet in the front carriage. He is reported to be one of the fatalities. A woman was found nearby lying immobile, having suffered a heart failure, according to local media. There has been no immediate indication for the motive of the man's actions. The train, carrying around 1,000 passengers, made an emergency stop on its way from Tokyo to Osaka when smoke began to fill the carriage. At least 22 others were injured, according to Japanese broadcaster NHK. The Japan Rail website states the bullet train has had no accidents resulting in passenger deaths since operations began in 1964.